Otyo program enshonga yizoba webare kuboriyo kandi webare kuba nitwe obwire bwona Ejiryo TV West akanda ndi itogoromak nyabehemu izoberi Uganda buri umwe na hari natakatungire makuraga ninchimanyaje ngu amashemerwa nagamande buramuhona abukuba ekiryo muri Kampala ekiryo muri Mbarara kunu ekirubura hamwe hona kurwo mwako gwa rukumwe wenda nshanju na munana Uganda etwire ne Rwana rukurabira mu team ya Uganda Cranes okuza Africa Cup of Nations beitu nyenda kwereza makuru marungi wari na ndeba ngo Uganda Cranes ne Jacoberi muri Gabon abukuba yakikora nyine coach na Jacoba natugambera na teratochi omupira ogu coach arubuye Ibrahim ogu coach wa Ntare School akana Jacoba natugambera umpira wenko kuyagureba umpira ogu gwitu kandi okustwire nturwana mashija okureba ngo twayegita amahanga aga Africa gakomanya kucanga umpira kandi na Skype nyine ho bingi nyine ho na DJ Nesta na Jacoba natugambera arukurabera mu kutugwito gwa Skype arufutugambira wenko mpira okwarugureba a DJ Nesta kamaze korecho bishanebi akunda agarice nja kwijana na coach ngiro kutugambira na Skype nyine ho bingi omuri yabo hari mu DJ Nesta Uganda yaraba muri akazoba
Dennis Onyango. It is such a massive occasion. Of course, it has been through the efforts and the professionalism of Micho, the coach, who's actually guided this team, brought in the confidence, and
will be enough to see them into the finals. Brian Mate is alongside me.
Important for them to be able to do that. And listening to the build-up, of course, Ugandan players with Dennis Onyango, they know the threat they are up against. A team that has got nothing to lose, but of course they can't be the spoilers. They're under no pressure at all. The Comors, they'll want to come out and enjoy their football. You've mentioned the experience they've got in the squad.
Comors are in the green, Uganda are in the red, and the sense of expectation throughout Uganda absolutely massive as they look forward to going to Gabon. They share top place in the group at the moment with Burkina Faso, both teams with 10 points from 5 matches. Burkina Faso are playing at exactly the same time as this match. They are home to Botswana, and if they win that, then they will finish ahead of Uganda, because the head-to-head record between these two countries favours Burkina. Burkina beat Uganda at home and drew in Kampala, so a victory. There'll be no rush on the part of the Comorians in this game. It's a match really just for pride for them. Now, fortuitous bounce, away come Uganda, surely now, they must score, what a save! Amala denies them another opportunity. Here we go again, it's Massa! It's a goal! Pride for them. Now, fortuitous bounce, away come Uganda, surely now, they must score, what a save! Amala denies them another opportunity. Here we go again, it's Massa! It's a
Otyo goro wajirebe jo niyo gore mbayitwa atera abanywana bitaba abakomoros akanda no manyaro hanga murundogu yabari na Uganda abukuba na Burkina Faso yabe turukubi na yeriyo neza no bwire nubo bumwe haza yabebembire na gore mwe mbwenu kugwaza kwa guti Botswana yagikora izinga 1-1 ate cyo nkibanchi manyisa ngu Uganda Cranes yarabamu omukibinje cye kiyaberumu na points zayo 13 kandi yakabiri Burkina Faso yabetutira ha pressure yetutira ha choya na points 11 mbwenu ruhanga amurondogu yabari nitwe arwashwa nyine ho coach rubuye Ibrahim ogu coach wa Ntare School akande coach mpira wagureba
nagureba
ni ndogo ari natureba umugambere iwe nko mpira ku wagureba nice kibe kituremise kandi kitwateka mahata murundu
kibe kituremise no kugira ngo abazani babere batakuta ayo kutentana kuzana mpira batakwatanaje konka this time bona bakwatanaje kandi bayihayombwe natara kwesasira kandi akugira ngo tension isigara very high okugira mpira kugira ngo it was just a crucial match. Of course message tizikubura konka almost buri umwe yagezeho koreka individual personality kandi the katugire performance really ni yejo abokwa all what wazo no kusinga mpira
Okay, no ompira gwitu wagureba kandi ujeno gikuratire mpireji aramahanga gahereze kurabamu confirmed agakuza ko bandige gita amahanga gandi umuyangeri ya Gabon Morocco nemo muri yebyo muri yago Egypt Ghana Senegal Zimbabwe hamwe na Cameroon ompira gwitu ogunoreba ngo mazima twashyikireyo nko kunashomaba already abashyikireyo yonore ngo ompira gwitu nugwija kugere cyo gwakora muri yaga amahanga
cyangwa munonga abo kugira ngo sofa twagire umuranking zinto yongera ko kuzahiguru nubuze agamatimu agarabire mu sofa gatura kuriya ndigaga kutukiraho konka tegari hari munonga nitwe kandi mpamya no kutendekebwamo nukurungi munonga aho kugira ngo mission bamwikirizamu ecyagamba cyona bacyakira bukiri kare then hati eshikuno kutandika kwatyo train abazana bakuzana professional football ogaruka bukiri kare tuketebekandisa Africa Cup of Nations omubwi tuzinza kwara kurungi munonga
coach twantureba mpira emigisha mingi yaturabaho nukono shote ngustwara bamutwanza kwe kwasa bingi aha bwake migisha yature mabo kuba gorzi za nyingi migisha yare manojani cya reteri icu cyabo
yamwe nuko kunagambira tension burizo teka ku retera ku katiye ku mwen concentrating ekiri kumara kuno jango mpira gwa gurinka nko ogukira hariho tugine mpira nkendize mingi etari kujango nza kulfanya yo obviously chances zo anzaga batuzikoziseki munonga konka bwa tension eje ujango in case we lose kiza kwasha tugara munonge nyuma munongo kuruga myaka tugiye kufutira mu kisanike cya 2018 kuyatwazo ko mpomo Africa Cup of Nations
na hati
real na hati noreba ngo no bwire buringwa munongo
na nesente zo kezi babe baraganisa abana umtwaro gwa dora miliyoni ziyashatu nishatu Ninjira ico naco nikireta mu ico ya cyayongera wabare ogun coach Rubuye Ibrahim kandi coach wa Antari School ariyo nageze kutugambira abikwatirine na Uganda Cranes hamwe na okuyarabamu kwegita amahanga garaberemu mengi garabiremu Morocco Egypt Ghana Senegal Zimbabwe amahanga garaberemu akande coach ariyo nageze kutugambira coach nogira ngo mico nika hashimire kongera mu tutakashikire kuri ahubwo twasigaze ubwire buce umwaka uguru kwijja tusaka bantu yegita amahanga go no jani nkahi ahakuburamo
ine kongera munonga okay abanje kabe nkita individual personalities that is by striking line naka striking line yona kati yokurwa munamba mushanju ya mwenda 10 bona bakabene ba tukatuje tutine bana bali mbenu aba talented mu twashikine na individual personalities necho kumuntu kwato mpira ukaraona basaku ya homuzane omwe babiri na rubashatu so that ingwa abantu batunge atugire mwenu space nari okutunga chance yo kutunga mpira atine muntu ndizama kenyi
omukuzana kwito coach twa midfield age yagenda yagira mu bihengere bingi aza wasogu kuba mureta bashana kabayenda kugaininga motwani jang midfield age ekizibu cyayo kirahe
okay waswa bamureta abo kugira ngo no muzanya kwatera mpira mwe no kutagure kura kandi niyongeri yo mutane kuzana mu mpira no special ubwire gwana ubugenda n'ubwayo nko kugwana ubugenda n'ubwayo tutumukumana makora passes of course mu ruzinge mpira nko muntu yabagure meje ko mwe atime zabazani ubwire gwana buza kwa yumuzana kwata nko mpira guteka akona line agwemerera so that time ubwire beno kwaki n'ubugenda.
Okay, yuwari unatureba ogun coach Rubuye Ibrahim coach wa Antari School akandi twina mashemerwa mengi kunota kamanyire cyabaho ni Uganda Cranes okurabamu akachenchuzo akabireka roho abo kuba twaturiya pressure twaturiya cyoya bwanyuma ya Burkina Faso nayo okwenda kutwiha mugatebe yitu ruhanga yije abaho nitwaho meshoka cyaho ya Botswana yanezana na Burkina Faso yagikora izinga 1-1 ejo cyamanyisa ngo nayaba ryo daturigisa nawe yasigara enyuma webare kuboriyo kandi webare kutukundo bwire bona program neshonga yizoba ndmark kandi nyine coach Ibrahim ogun coach wa Antari School aruho nkiriyo ningeza kufuteraho Skype amkutugwito gwa Skype abakugu mu byemizano ase kugambera na nababa riyo kuro mucayi cya Anambore obu twantutera Comoros agoremwe aharusha Uganda mwako guru kwija leja ko banegeyita amahanga agamana gahereze kurabamu Morocco Egypt Ghana Senegal Zimbabwe hamwe na Cameroon kama nze nkoreche bishanebi nije ngariche na ba Skype banzorebe ebi
Onyango. It is such a massive occasion. Of course, it has been through the efforts and the professionalism of Mitchell, the coach, who's actually guided this team, brought in the confidence and
will be enough to see them into the finals. Brian Mate is alongside me.
Important for them to be able to do that. And listening to the build-up, of course, Ugandan players with Dennis Onyango, they know the threat they are up against. A team that has got nothing to lose, but of course they can't be the spoilers. They're under no pressure at all. The Comores, they'll want to come out and enjoy their football. You've mentioned the experience they've got in the squad.
Comores are in the green, Uganda are in the red, and the sense of expectation throughout Uganda absolutely massive as they look forward to going to Gabon. They share top place in the group at the moment with Burkina Faso, both teams with 10 points from 5 matches. Burkina Faso are playing at exactly the same time as this match. They are home to Botswana, and if they win that, then they will finish ahead of Uganda, because the head-to-head record between these two countries favours Burkina. Burkina beat Uganda at home and drew in Kampala, so a victory. There'll be no rush on the part of the Comorians in this game. It's match really just for pride for them. Now, fortuitous bounce, away come Uganda, surely now, they must score, what a save! Amada denies them another opportunity, here we go again, it's Massa! It's a goal! They took their time about finding the back of the net, but Farouk Mia has settled the nerves, he scores, Uganda lead.
It takes a lot to beat Amada. It took a couple of chances, because the first chance he blocked it. He used his big finger to almost deny Uganda. But the determination, the will to win got them right. They beat the offside trap. He shows the composure, but he makes himself bigger, Amada. But they persisted and persisted, and finally it was that man that got the vital goal, and the goal that they needed. Look at how difficult he makes it for them. But they had to persistently do that. They kept on grinding, and they eventually got that vital goal. That's what they needed. That's the determination. That's the fighting spirit they needed. And it paid off in the end for Uganda.
Farouk Mia was the one who ran straight at Amada, had the shot saved, and then got the rebound opportunity. Fumbled over that before. The ball's on 4 points in this group. 3 points, sorry, coming into this game. Now.
Webare kubori yo program neshonga izoba kanda Uganda ya singo mpira gwayo gwa ogyanezana gwa Mnambore na Comoros gore muharusha akande agagarka kuguruka kuri omuri Burkina Faso nayo mpira ya ija bino kuba changa mwaho red card zaziri nyingi nyine DJ Nesta Skype DJ Nesta DJ Nesta nyendo tugambere umpira ogu nikimanyisa cyabo kuba Burkina Faso yatera gol zibiri ahariyemwe aharumuna red card bino kuba vurugamu mwene kinchimanyisa kintu zakweshanga ya Gaboni ninga tutandike kurira bukirikare.
The West naye ensonga I'm not excited at all. Olw'ensonga nti Uganda Cranes for the qualifying there, tulina situation eyokuba nti omupiira gwa Uganda it is poorly baguteekamu ssente era tebasobodde ku developing talents. Tusobodde okwalifyinga this time round olwokuba nti group gyetwabaddemu yabadde little bit weak nga si amaanyi, naye bw'otunulira omupiira mu bitundu byonna, omupiira mu clubs zonna, omupiira mu masomero, and these are the clubs ezinokufeedinga Uganda Cranes. So kitegeeza nti wadde Uganda Cranes qualifies olwokuba tuli mu group etabadde amaanyi, tetulina nnyo talent tetusobola okugenda nayo mu Gabon 2017 gyetulowooza nti n'ekyamaanyi kyegenda kukola. Era we are certain tugenda tuuka mu Gabon, Uganda Cranes performing bubi nnyo, emipiira esatu gyonna batukube. I'm of the view omupiira gwa Uganda gwetaaga budget ennene. Government ya Uganda, we have not had the situation nti omupiira gwa Uganda bagufudde priority ne bagwa budget etegeerekeka. That's why Governor Mark ojja kuwulira nti buli kaseera President avudde n'ababiri n'ababiri bisatu. It's more of a rescue mission. Tetulina budget ng'omupiira gwa Uganda okumanya nti buli mwaka tulina bilioni 2 oba 3 za kulwanira omupiira. If you look at Uganda retuli budget right now, budget ya Uganda right now is trillion ya bilioni 2. Naye omupiira gwa Uganda ng'omupiira tetulina wadde budget ya bilioni 5. That's very bad. Omupiira bagudevelopinga mu bitundu, mu byalo, mu sub-county.
Nesta,
This business of okulonda kasanyi mu Kampala uka, it's the problem.
Nesta, when DJ Nesta kanda Nesta nagira ngu twine kukora cyango na mnonga ka government ebintu byo kureta sente muheru nakyo kikwija kukora je ihanga erya Uganda hamwe na Uganda Cranes nagira ngu talent zitandikire kuno hansi zikandi zitunguke na sente zonka ezikwebwa Ministry of Sports na nezikwebwa abashambi nazo zeyongere mwene yanagezaho ufutugambira ikimero kuba nikikorwa aho kuba yagira ngo nobyo twarabamu amani twine make kandi kuri yano manyana nagambire ngo Morocco yarabiremu Egypt, Ghana, Senegal, Cameroon nangu na nensi yo mugurisi na ye erabire mu Zimbabwe Robert Matibiri Karagangombe Mugabe mweno edachika nindeba nazo za agenda baito amashemerwa twine menji kandi mani woko aho reshemerirwe no twabe tutayebembera table twababa kabiri konga turi best losers bokuba waza kubaramu noreba ngo mazima tushambereje kandi oyihireho ompiro kuba tutire mugumwe gonka bitendijo na twizere tugirabaho mwenu tsakweshanga mu Gabon kandi mwako guru kwija mu Africa Cup of Nations mu East Africa Uganda yonkane yarabamu Kenya bikarema Tanzania byarema Rwanda byarema Burundi byarema so mu East Africa Uganda yonkane yarabamu okwebembera tebo baitu atwarabamu tinku basa kurenga ha program nenshonga yizoba na nyama shemerwa nyine mingi kama nzenza hero nze guruka muna batahi banje abokuba kuruga rukumorwe na nshanjo anamunana Uganda hamwe na Uganda Cranes tutahantu shaba na hati abana nabijukuru nabaguruse nabaye barona bataroho eshara sutatu kwasire suti mweno ruhanga yatwijuka katugende beremere kuri wonka hakiri umuntu azireho mwana kamureba no byakufa takushana no gwatakazaraga uruhanga akurinde